In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recommend a Substack publication. Whether you're a seasoned Substack user or just starting out, knowing how to recommend publications to your readers can help build community and share content you love with others. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your Substack dashboard. This is your main hub and the starting point for this process. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top of the page. There you'll find a tab labeled Recommendations. Go ahead and click on this. Now that you're in the recommendations section, it's time to search for the publication you want to recommend. Maybe it's a newsletter you read religiously for its insightful articles, or perhaps it's a new find that you think could benefit your audience. Use the search bar to type in the name of that favorite publication. As you type, some suggestions may pop up, which is useful if you're unsure of the exact name. Once you've found the publication you'd like to recommend, we reach a very personal step, adding a blurb. This isn't just a requirement, it's an opportunity to express your genuine thoughts. Think about what makes this publication special. Is it the unique perspective of the author, the depth of the research, or maybe the way the content aligns with your own values or expertise? Whatever it is, write a short, clear statement explaining to your readers why this Substack is worth their time. With your heartfelt or informative blurb written, the final step is simple. You'll see an option that says Add Recommendation. Just click it. And with that, you've successfully recommended a Substack publication to your readers. Now, why is this whole process valuable? Recommending Substack publications enriches the experience for your audience. It's a way to curate quality content, showing your readers that you're not all about self-promotion, but also about sharing great work from others. Plus, it can help strengthen your relationship with other creators, fostering a supportive network. As a couple of closing thoughts and tips, remember that your recommendations are a reflection of your own brand and values. Choose publications that align with your interests and that you genuinely believe will resonate with your audience. If you're recommending content regularly, it can also encourage your readers to rely on you for discovering meaningful insights and diverse perspectives. Thank you for watching today's walkthrough. I hope this helps you make the most of your Substack experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this, and happy recommending.